Here's a segment from the latest edition of St. Charles Parish Today, a monthly local talk show. There's no denying that St. Charles Parish is in need of a new public boat launch on the West Bank. It's a project that's been on the back burner for a hot minute due to budgeting delays and grant funding hiccups. But now St. Charles Parish officials are looking to an already popular spot to provide improved access to our parish's sportsman's paradise. Tristan Babin recently visited Pier 90 to highlight this project that, with any luck, will become one of the biggest attractions in St. Charles Parish. Let's take a look.
After a 6-year strenuous search, parish officials have determined a location for the highly anticipated public boat launch to be located here on the west bank of St. Charles Parish.
By entering into an agreement with the owners of Pier 90 and Luling, the parish plans to construct a public boat launch that would include both parking and restrooms. Additionally, the owners of Pier 90 would renovate the bar and tackle shop with the eventual plan to build cabins.
St. Charles Parish has many recreational facilities for our kids to enjoy, but we also have a lot of sportsmen in our parish that spend a lot of money on boats, motors, trailers, fishing gear, hunting equipment. We're very excited about that area. It's going to be a beautiful area where they're going to sell lots to build camps along some new cuts that they're going to build at Pier 90, and they're going to donate the 3.5 acres of land where we can build a boat launch.
If constructed, the boat launch will mark the start of the last major project that Parish President St. Pierre proposed early in his first term. The other projects on the list were the construction of the Everyday Dufferin Community Center, the Emergency Operations Center, the Animal Shelter, the Office of Motor Vehicles, the Parish Welcome Signs, the Public Works and Wastewater Offices, the Public Works Storage Yard, and renovations to and relocation of parish personnel to the 3rd floor of the courthouse, which began construction in mid-September.
Since I've come in office in 2008, one of my goals was to build a boat launch, build several boat launches in the parish, and we've lost several opportunities to build the launches that we want. My initial vision was to build a boat launch that could attract the Bassmaster Classic, which is about a $3 million impact, economic impact to the parish.
St. Pierre also stressed that the parish's boat launch plans do not end with the Pier 90 project.
My vision, and I hope the next parish president, whether he or she is, will continue on to try to construct another boat launch somewhere along the St. John Lafourche Parish line, which is very needed.
Parish officials aren't the only ones with plans for Pier 90, as the Department of Wildlife and Fisheries has expressed interest in constructing a hunting and fishing educational center on the proposed property.
According to the Wildlife and Fisheries, St. Charles Parish with the Salvador Game Management Area is the only parish in the state that doesn't have a wildlife facility that acts as a management area. So with the Wildlife and Fisheries building this educational center, it also gives us an opportunity to cash in on some assets that they'll be able to afford to us, like helping us with the paving of the parking lot. So,
for more information on the boat launch or other parish projects, residents can visit the news section of www.stcharlesparish-la.gov. For St. Charles Parish Today, I'm Tristan Babin.
Watch the entire episode at www.scptoday.com or on SCP TV.